Since 1955, Marathon Special Products have been engineering and manufacturing high-quality power blocks, terminal blocks, and fuse holders with a dedication to safety and commitment to continuously improving their products. Galco is your e-commerce source for same-day worldwide shipping on all of our in-stock selection of Marathon Special Products' comprehensive power blocks, terminal blocks, and fuse holders available in various sizes, terminal styles, and electrical ratings designed to fit any of your application needs. With a reputation for quality and reliability, Marathon Special Products manufactures and tests all of their products at their facility in Bowling Green, Ohio, to ensure that their products can withstand any circuit protection application. To learn more about Marathon Special Products, visit us at galco.com.